Alright, what's going on YouTube? So today's video we have 12 packs that we're going to be opening for the new Monopoly Prizm 2023-2024 Panini packs here. This is the biggest thing I've ever done on my channel. Obviously it's not that much compared to other people, but I'm excited nevertheless because I want to hit something big. We're going to see if we can hit something big. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to support my broken wallet. You can buy some top loaders or some sleeves. I'll leave both of those in the description. We did open 2 packs already off camera, and then we bought 10 more. Basically, we hit, I'll show you what we hit. We hit just some basic purples, some rookies, and then we also hit a Wemby and a DeMar DeRozan. This is a numbered card here out of 500. Not too bad out of the first 2 packs. But I believe we're gonna hit something good right here. I know for a fact. I want some like a numbered card that is out of 10, out of 15, like something super low and super rare. We're gonna get started off with the first pack here. Let's see if we can hit something big. I'm really hoping we can. Otherwise, it's gonna be a waste of money. But let's do it. First pack. Let's open it up. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm shaking right now. It doesn't even feel real right now. All right, let's do this. So each pack has 6 cards here, and then each pack in here has 4. All right, first pack is nothing. The base cards here, and then whatever we get, and then the rare stuff on the right. Second card pack. And each one, I believe, has two purples and then something else. Nothing here, not even a rookie. Oh, there we go. There's a rookie right there. Derek Lively. There's a purple in here as well. Another rookie card and Luka Doncic. There's our purple right there. All right. Another rookie card, got case in there, and that's it. All right, these next 2 packs are gonna have something good, so that's good. You know. It's not guaranteed, but Joel, LeBron, Keegan, and Giannis. Okay, nothing good there. And last pack right here for the first one. So far, this pack was pretty garbage. All right, we got a Jordan, a Nick, and a Zion. Pretty much the first pack was pretty garbage, not gonna lie. It's fine though, it's completely fine. All right, next pack here. Let's get this. All right, second pack. My room is about to be a big mess right now, but it's fine. All right, that one opened pretty easy. That's nice. So we got Steph, Grady, okay, LeBron, and Darren Fox. All right, we got Bam, Darius, Rudy, and Noah Clowney, rookie card. I know these are just base rookie cards. If we could hit something that is a rookie card, but like a special, like a, I don't know, just a reverse or something. There it is. God listening right here, very quickly. We got Tyrese. Oh, there's silver back here. OG, Paul George, and Murray. That's a silver. People sometimes don't value them. I'm just going to keep it in there just to see the value at the end. But for the most part, decent. And that means there shouldn't be another purple in here. But it's better than a purple in my opinion, because it's harder to hit, because purples are easy to hit. We got Scoot, and last pack here in the second one. We're getting a little better. We're starting to warm up. We got that one, Jalen, Joel, and Aaron Gordon. This is a beautiful card. I love the cards on this. It's very nice. I just want to see in person what one of these good ones look like, you know? Like in person, because I've seen it in posts and on some videos, and they look amazing. But I want to see it in person, you feel me? Come on, Panini. All right, so we got Brandon. Got a rookie card here. Brandon Miller. We got a different Brandon right there. Kaysen, rookie card, and Jaylen Brown. I'll keep these rookie cards coming. I'm fine with that. Definitely fine with that. Oh, we got a purple right here. Carl, Luca, Jabri, Victor Wemby, bro. Yo. Okay, so that's like $100 right there. That paid for all 3 packs right there. Dang, bro. Centering could be better. It's a little heavy on the left, but there we go. I'm gonna top load this one because I know this one's gonna sell for sure. And there's nothing really bad on it. It's a pretty clean card. That's a good first hit. Now we just need to get something higher than that, which we'll see what happens. That's nice. That's nice. Got a Wemby. I'm starting to shake now because I feel like something else is going to happen, but it's fine. It's fine. Oh, it's upside down. OG, Paul, and Scoot. At least base cards. So many base cards. We're also getting a decent amount of rookies, though. All right, we got pretty garbage stuff here. Next one. I think there should be one more purple in this, if I'm not wrong. Purple or better. We got Amen. There's the purple card here. It is Leonard. By the way, I know nothing about basketball. If I'm going to be real with you, I will start getting into it. But this is just a good start. You know? This is my very first time opening basketball cards. Desmond, nothing in that pack. So that pack was pretty good. That paid for basically everything that we have right now with that Wemby. Thank you. All right, next pack. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs left. All right, let's see. We're heating up right now. Starting to get a little warm. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Let's maybe we got to put some more energy into the video. You feel me? Let's try to get something really good right here. There's the first purple. Chet, Jason. We got Anthony Black. Okay, we got Taylor Hendricks in the rookie card. See, you got to put more energy into it. That's what it is. There we go. Taylor right there. Taylor rookie. Jazz. I'm just gonna top load all of the rookie cards that are in purple. I'll look up the value afterwards, but right now these are pretty good. Pretty good in my opinion. All right, so that's our first purple of this pack so far. I got scared. I thought that was gonna be something really good. It's a PS10 though. I don't know if that means anything. I'll keep it right here for now, but I don't know if it means anything. No clue. But next pack here. I think if it was a different variant, then it would have been. Another rookie card. Okay, thank you. I'll keep them coming. I'm fine with that. Let's get a like a blue or a green. I want like a 1 out of 500 or a 1 out of 50, 1 out of 25. I know there's probably not that many 1 of 1s, but I guess we'll find out. Another rookie card there. Steph Curry right here. Jamal, Joel, Keegan. I'm gonna start a new pile of the bases. All right. Next one's up. I already looked at the player, but it's fine. We got a Devon. It's another PS10. I don't know if it means anything. I don't think it does. DeMar DeRozan right there. I'll look it up afterwards, but that's the second pack. It's a decent pack right there. And we're gonna try another one. Please, we need something really good. We're almost out of our. We're halfway through. We haven't hit anything crazy good yet. And I really want to hit something crazy good, so this is looking very sketchy right now. Oh, we got like. Hopefully it's not bent. I really hope it's not bent. They feel fine. All right, we got a rookie card here, a base one. The purple waves right there that we have the rookie cards. I don't know if they always come with a rookie card as a base, as a wave. We hit a gold. Okay, got Anthony Black. Let's see who it is. It's upside down. Grizzlies. Jaren Jackson out of 500, 405 out of 500. Not too bad, not too bad. I was really hoping we could get a good card. We already hit a gold. I'm not, we already hit another gold. This is our first gold right now. I'm really excited about what we got next. Let's see. Got a Jordan, Nick, Manuel. All right. I want to see one of those crazy Monopoly hits, or maybe like a 1 of 1 if possible. LeBron, no good hits right there. Next hit. Jalen, no good hits right there. Next hit. I love the excitement on getting those 1 of 1, not 1 of 1, sorry, the numbered cards. Got 3 rookie cards. Noah Clooney. I think we got one of these. Did we get these? I want to say we did. Maybe just the regular, or maybe just a base. I don't know. Let me see. No, we haven't got him yet. Okay, cool. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, next pack. Dang, my floor is a mess. Oh my gosh. We got this 1 of 1 right here. Pretty cool, huh? We got 2 rookie cards. All right, 2 rookie cards. Steph Curry right there. Another rookie card, and that's it. Please, we need something good, please. We're ripping this a little too fast. We need to get something good. If we don't hit something good, I'm gonna buy 50 more. No, I'm playing. I meant like blue or here, I should be more specific, huh? Yeah, if we don't hit something rare, then I will buy $500 more. Cause nah, we need to hit something good, please. We already hit a Wemby, which is nice. All right. And there should be another purple or better in here, which I'm already filling it. It's gonna be a numbered card. A really rare numbered card right here. 120%. We got a rookie card, Jordan Hawkins, and a Nick Smith Jr. All right. Next one's up. And there's the second purple. It is a regular Devin. All right, not too bad. I mean, decent hit so far. We have a bunch. It's fairly even out of this pack. Actually, I didn't even move this pack. I'm tripping. Okay, we got 4 packs left. I'm starting to get scared. We already blew through maybe $200 worth of stuff right now. And so far we have a Wemby, which will pay for half of that, but we need something good. I know there probably isn't any autographed ones in here, but I want something that's gonna be really good. Let's see. Praying for it. And Jamie. We're gonna keep going. So far we hit nothing. We're gonna keep going. Right now I'm getting a little discouraged, but I know we can hit something good for sure. Another rookie, another rookie, another rookie. There's a lot of base cards. Too many base cards. That's bad. Starting another pile. We got a purple in here. It's LeBron James. Okay, not a bad hit. Definitely not a bad hit at all. Last pack here. Just Thompson right there. All right, second pack. Second to last pack right here. And so far we hit nothing good. Very, very disappointed right now. Like nothing good. No numbered cards at all. Well, actually I lied. We hit 1 numbered card, but that's out of 500. I need at least 1 more number card that is lower count. Please make this all worth it. Got another LeBron, Darren, Bam, and Darius. Base pack right there. All right, We got Rudy. I know there's a glare on these right here. Let's see if I can make it better. Rudy, Noah, and Murray. Nothing there as well. Pack number 4. I mean, number 3. There's our purple wave, Luka, Tyrese, OG, and Bam right there. All right, next pack. If I can get it open. There we go. All right, we got Paul, George, Scoot, another Scoot, Jimmy, and Evan, sorry. All right, Spencer, nothing good. This guy looks like 50 Cent for a second. All right, the next one. Whew. So far, we hit nothing good at all. That's disappointing. All right, Jordan, Poole, Thompson, Pascal, and Darius. All right, this is our last pack here. If you guys made it this far, just drop a like on the video, or you can buy some top loaders in the description, because right now we are negative. But it's fine, it's fine. It was fun actually ripping these. I like ripping. I'm very fortunate enough to actually be able to rip packs. So no doubt in my mind that this was a fun experience for sure. Last pack, guys, last pack. See if we could hit it. We're probably not going to, but I'm probably gonna buy 10 more packs, to be honest. We'll find out after we add up all the values, see if we could sell any. All right, got a rookie card here. Aaron Gordon, Jimmy Butler, and Anthony Davis. All right, Todd Montes, another rookie. Luka, Shy. Nothing really good. Okay. I know we're ripping to this really quickly, but whew, I'm scared. Grady Dick, there's another one. LeBron James. All right. Got 2 more packs left. This is our second to last one. There's our purple wave, Kobe. It's a rookie card. Kobe Buffkin. Not too bad of a hit. I know they had better hits in the very beginning. Last pack and it has nothing. Noah Clooney. Okay, so that was everything that we got. Literally, we hit nothing at all out of 10 packs. Obviously, it's not a lot of packs, but the odds are as follows. So this is all the base cards right here. Way too many base cards. And then this is everything technically that is pretty normal. And this is everything right here, just a recap of everything that we got that's technically good. So we got Kobe, Grady Dick, Wemby, we got a Jarris Walker, a Jaren Jackson Jr. out of 500. That one's a pretty good hit. We got Bilal, rookie card. This is our silver, which I will keep as well. Just gonna sleeve it. We got Anthony Black rookie card, Noah Clooney, Wemby again. At least we got one good Wemby. This is a really good Wemby right here. So I'm glad we got that. And Taylor Hendricks right there. So decent hits out of all of this. Not the best, but not the worst. At least we hit a good Wemby. I did want to see like a cooler card. So stay tuned for more. Let me know which packs you want to see me break open, and we will check out more in the future, so don't get me wrong. I love opening up packs for sure, and I will live stream probably the next one, whatever you guys tell me to buy, or if you guys want to see me buy more of these, because honestly I'm down to buy more of these ones, then let me know in the comments down below, or if you want to see me open up some Pokemon cards or anything else, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to check out the rest of my channel, I do barbering, I do sneakers. I will do more of these, so subscribe for more videos so you can see more of these videos. It's very hot in my room, so that's why I have a little bit of energy. But thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in the next one.